A Tangkhul Naga auto driver was reportedly beaten up by a suspected Kuki militant at Modbung Bazaar in Kangpokpit district, allegedly for speaking in Meiteilon. The incident occurred at around 7:30 p.m. of September 17 when King Song Kashung, a resident of Jingxiao village of Kamjong district, presently residing in Kanglatongbi, was providing his services to two Liangwei women who had hired his auto to collect vegetables from Modbung Bazaar. A suspected reportedly approached Kashung near the Presidency College gate at Modbung and began questioning in Kuki dialect. And when Kashung responded in Manipuri, explaining that he did not understand Kuki, the situation quickly escalated and started assaulting him. Meanwhile, Makan Kanglatongbi Naga Forum and Tangkhul Welfare Association Kanglatongbi have strongly condemned the incident and demanded a thorough probe into the physical assault incident. In a statement, TWAK and MKNF alleged that the assailant, without any provocation, began physically assaulting Kashung with punches and threats, and also declared himself as a member of KNA, a suspension of operations group recognized by Center, while maintaining that the incident has sparked widespread anger among Naga communities. The two organizations demanded the responsible individuals be swiftly brought to justice and that such acts of violence be met with the full force of the law. They have also demanded a clarification on the matter within 72 hours by concerned group or organization.